vlog started. This vlog is a montage slash like what I want to say like it's a vlog of a bunch of like moments from when I was printing off the merch for the Make Money Not Friends and the global t-shirts. And just to give a little backstory about the company for those who don't know, we are a multi-service entertainment company that is based in New Orleans, Louisiana, founded by 3 young black males. I'm one, have another business owner named Desmond, another business owner named Derek. Both of those 2 people rap. They're on this channel. You can check these music videos. Pretty sure they're gonna be like somewhere down below recommended. So check that out. Yeah, Company Records, CEO, I don't rap. Yeah. And yeah, we based in New Orleans, Louisiana, so this is a vlog of us like producing our merch, selling our merch, shipping off the merch, making pilot bags for the merch, shipping, what else I want to say, yeah, just like running a business day for day kind of thing. Expecting way more of these, just like something to like throw out more content. We like at like 95 subscribers right now, so when this vlog drop, I hope to like jump another like 20 subscribers, if not more. Hopefully way more, but you never know. Hope so. Yeah. What's up with y'all? I'm Witty. Shot good company, But I'm about to do something today. It's August 22nd. You probably can't see that, but yeah, we just starting to document how we making clothes and what we doing to make the clothes. So boom, we're in the lab right now. I'm about to get this screen printer started to print the back of these shirts and the front of these shirts. So start off, you gotta clean your screen. Boom.
Yeah. Did you? Real on this bitch rapping shit, I'm really living, man. I ain't just talking to talk. It's facts.
Yo, A2, you crazy for this one.
Should've marked me look back. Should've marked in the back. I swear y'all wasn't really with that. I ain't really up. I swear that's a big fact. Did you?
I like to wear gloves to get my nuts. Make sure my hands don't get dirty. Ink get under your nails, that's shit hard to get off. So, put your gloves on. Turn some music on. I gotta bump the bros, for sure. Turn that on. Put the gloves on. Fix the little camera, you did. Point that thing down. We work with plastic sauce. Plastic sauce, spring wash. And the peaks and that. Come on, you got this though. Don't be like me. Use the turd rag. This one's about empty, so we're just gonna spray it on that. This just to get started, clean, get all the ink off there. Don't want none of that to get mixed in the color we about to use. Clean your string. Not too hard. Slow down. Trying to get rich so I can see my fucking child, Don't fuck with this, Yup, looking good. Next thing to do, get some painter's tape. Tape off the screen, Clean that. That's trash. Can't do that. Nah, it's time to take off the screen. All you're doing is taping it off. Nice and simple. Make sure you get the corners, not an ink leak out. That's very, very important. Make sure you get them corners.
What you know about late nights up in that stew, we get it in. What you know about getting slimed out by a nigga when you thought he was your friend? What you know about getting skated on by the bitch you claim you love? That shit get crazy, better stop giving out your trust. What you know about struggling, trying to put the team up on your back? What you know about blowing cash on your fam, then you make that shit back? What you know about staying focused even when you off track? I did this shit off for my gang, them niggas know that's a fact. What you know about slime foreigns? What you know about taking nigga bitch, he tell you that he boring. I'm really rapping shit I live, I'm just telling you my story. Really came through for my team, I step back and fade away just like I'm Jordan. What you know about hitting scams? What you know about riding with fuck niggas, they put you in a jam? What you know about late nights, gotta call your mama from a cell? What you know about falling short and out the blue, you just prevail? Steady running up my cash, I think the feds all on my trail. What you know about taking risks, trying to get it in, that's for your son? What you know about living in the city where you gotta tote a gun? What you know about coming straight up from the bottom? Bad bitch, I really got him, now they calling me the one. What you know about going hard? What you know about...
Shop, keep good company. KeepGoodCompany.co. You know, the biggest brand. Be there. Yeah. Shout out to the giveaway winners. Just printed these off, new packaging. We is here and we is near you, dig. It's coming. The takeover, you know. 100K units in a year. Shit gonna be slight.
I love you, Poppy.
Shit, we almost to the top, man. You already know GCR, what we doing. It took us so long, but now we finally at the top. I remember serving dime bags, nigga even sold some rock. Got jammed up by the police, had that shit all in my socks. We done really jumped up in this shit, you know nigga can't stop. GC, we getting money, we ain't worried about no hater. And if you need that gas, just hit us up, got different flavors. We working every day, can't tell us shit about our grind. Never hated on no nigga, we sat back and waited our time. Not nigga about niggas took so many L's and then I finally gotta win. I do this shit off for my family, no Lil Poppy, that's my twin. Niggas that I'm slide with my brothers, not my friends. I don't know about your niggas, but my niggas get it in. Ain't trusting none of these bitches, I put my heart all up in chrome. I'm right around my blicky digi, gotta make it home.
Born in the trap. What's up, guys? This is Witty back. This is the end of the vlog. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more content. Be back soon.